Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of remote controls with a closer look at the Davitu SRB301ST-24V-V.2. This remote comes to us from Davitu, who identify themselves as an original factory agent. That suggests a direct connection to the manufacturing source, potentially hinting at better quality control and perhaps even a more competitive price. Now, the information provided is a bit sparse, but that just means we get to explore this together. The model number, SRB301ST-24V-V.2, tells us a few key things. The 24V likely indicates it's designed for devices operating on 24 volts, which narrows down its likely applications to certain industrial equipment, gate openers, or specialized electronics. The V.2 suggests this is a second version, implying improvements or updates over a previous model. It's always a good sign to see a company iterating and refining its products. Physically, we unfortunately don't have any images to work with, but based on the model number and Davitu's description, we can assume it's a standard handheld remote. It's likely to feature a series of buttons for various functions, potentially including directional controls, power on-off, and perhaps some specialized buttons depending on the intended application. The build quality is something we need to assess hands-on, but given the original factory agent claim, we'd hope for decent construction. One of the biggest questions with remotes like this is compatibility. Without more details, it's tough to say definitively what devices this will work with. If you're considering this remote, it's absolutely crucial to double-check compatibility with your specific device. Look for matching model numbers or contact Davitu directly to confirm compatibility before purchasing. Now, let's talk about potential use cases. The 24V designation points towards industrial applications. This could be anything from controlling machinery to operating automated gates or even specialized lighting systems. The possibilities are quite broad, and the actual application will depend heavily on the specific device it's paired with. In terms of performance, we'd be looking for a reliable signal, responsive buttons, and a decent range. Ideally, the remote should function flawlessly within a reasonable distance, without requiring precise aiming or repeated button presses. These are all things we'd test thoroughly in a hands-on review. Overall, the Davitu SRB301ST-24V-V.2 presents an interesting option for those in need of 24V remote. The limited information available makes it difficult to give a definitive recommendation, but the original factory agent designation does add a level of intrigue. If you're in the market for a remote like this, I highly recommend doing further research to confirm compatibility and read user reviews if available. Hopefully, as more information becomes available, we can revisit this remote and provide a more comprehensive assessment. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with this remote or similar model from Davitu. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.